Hey campers, there's nothing quite like a fresh cup of coffee brewed right in the great outdoors. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use a camping coffee percolator to make the perfect cup of camp coffee. So whether you're out in the wild or just looking to switch up your coffee routine, stick around and let's get brewing. First up, what exactly is a camping coffee percolator? It's a classic, easy-to-use device that uses heat to cycle water through coffee grounds, brewing a rich, aromatic cup. These percolators are popular for camping because they're durable, lightweight, and don't need any fancy setup. Let's dive into the basics of setting it up and using it. Step 1. Add water. Open the percolator and fill the bottom chamber with water up to the fill line. You want enough water for however many cups you're making, but not so much that it overflows when it starts to boil. For reference, 1 cup of water per person is usually a good start, but you can adjust depending on how strong you like your coffee. Place the coffee grounds into the percolator's basket. Now let's add our coffee grounds. Use medium coarse ground coffee, too fine, and it can end up in your cup, and too coarse, you might lose some flavor. Aim for about 1 heaping tablespoon of coffee per cup of water. If you're not sure where to start with coffee grounds, we've got some great options in our shop, so click the link in the description to check them out. Place the percolator over the campfire. Now comes the fun part, brewing. Place your percolator over a steady heat source. For a campfire, aim for low to medium heat. You'll see the coffee start to bubble up into the clear knob at the top. Once it starts perking, let it brew for about 5 to 10 minutes. Check every now and then. For stronger coffee, let it percolate a bit longer, but don't overdo it, or it might taste burnt. After it's done percolating, carefully remove the percolator from the heat and let it sit for a minute so any stray grounds settle. Then, it's time to pour and enjoy. Nothing beats that fresh, smoky flavor of camp coffee. So, there you have it, the perfect cup of camp coffee with a trusty percolator. Whether you're out in the wilderness or enjoying it on your porch, this method brings out a flavor you just can't get at home. Don't forget, if you need any camping coffee gear, check out our shop in the link below. Thanks for watching and happy brewing.